To ensure proper quality installation for paint protection film, these are the 3 steps we do here at Tinterz. First, a thorough hand wash by a professional detailer. Then, a clay bar treatment to decontaminate the paint. Finally, we do a paint correction on the whole vehicle to make sure there's no surface scratches, swirls, or any paint defects. And now the prep is done, the PPF is ready to be installed. So this customer is getting our most popular option, which is the full front protection package. This package includes the hood, the bumper, the fenders, and the mirrors. This package covers the main impact areas to protect your car from road debris that you may experience on the highway. While this customer chose clear paint protection film, we do have other options such as color change and matte. So whether you want color change, clear paint protection film to protect your car, whether you have an EV, a sports car, or an exotic car, give us a call or click the link below.